give her food. No, I don't want food. See? He licks. See, it tickles. Look at that one. Cole, why don't you feed that one now?
Did you see what that one did?
What, he's like butting him over?
Oh my god, the thing just rammed the side of him.
You're hungry.
He's hungry. He's always hungry.
Who's gonna feed him again?
No.
No, you're not?
I want to feed him
I
again.
can't go, I got quarters.
Don't budge that one. Don't take my
Budge.
chair, Grace.
He rammed right in the side of him.
I'll give Dad one food. But look what's in his ear. It's an earring. Another earring.
Come here.
That one's hungry. Go. I'll feed that one. He's laying on the top. See, he licks.
Hi, Cody.
Okay, go over here, Cole. Bring it.